how are you doing? I'm Pujita Reddy Gosla, welcome back. In my previous video, I discussed the most important and powerful role of the story, that is Sage Bhavani, who established Sanatani Ashram. In this video, I would be discussing three other important characters, that is Gorakant, Charumati and Chitramala. Gorakant established a very powerful kingdom and named it Bela. Gorakant is a very cruel personality. He is over ambitious, cunning, and you can add all the adjectives that belong to that particular kind of negative space. He is a very short guy, and everything about him is tiny. I mean, all his features are tiny, short, and round in shape. Now, if you don't meet his height, do not worry. All you need to meet is how he look in his face. If you have that particular features in your face, then you should go ahead and send your pictures. He has thick curly hair which is very black in color. His eyes are sharp but very tiny and they're round. He has a very tiny nose, very short one. His lips are very thin and he has unstructured teeth. He has very tiny ears. There are two important interesting things about Gorakant. First thing is, he can convince anybody. That is why he rose to the commanding stage and became the king of Bela Empire. The second thing is, he can communicate with any kind of eagle. Since Gorakant communicates with eagle, he also started become devotee of eagle. And from then he got inspired to design the clothes and the architecture of the kingdom that resemble the eagles. So he created cape that has the structure of eagle on the cape. And all his accessories, the hand accessories, the neck, the head, the leg accessories, everything has eagles on it. Now, who all can send pictures? Three age groups can send pictures. People who fall between 10 to 12 or 13 years of age group, and 20 to 25 or 30 years of age group, and then 45 to 50 or 55 years of age group can send pictures to appear as Gorakant in my book and become part of the storytelling. Also, if you think any of your friends can match this role, please do not forget to share. Thank you and stay tuned for the next video. The second character of Bela Empire is Chitramala, who is the wife of Gorakant. Unlike Gorakant, Chitramala is a very nice personality and she is also taller than her husband. Like I mentioned earlier, you don't have to worry about your height. All you need to take care is whether your facial features match with the characterization of that particular character or not. That's it. She is very healthy personality. She is fat. Her body is totally plumpy. Her cheeks are plumpy. Her face is plumpy. Her eyes are so much into her because her cheeks are totally out. She has very fair skin that she becomes red when she's very emotional. Her hair is very curly, like overly curly, and very short up to her shoulders. And the most important thing is, she comes from a very different kingdom. So she makes sure that she wears the accessories and clothes as the combination of Bela Empire and her particular kingdom. So her accessories and clothes resemble eagles and hoops, H-O-O-P-S, hoops, rounds. Two important things about her is, she is wise but very weak. She is good but very helpless. And now you can understand her situation. And who can send pictures? People of two age groups can send me the pictures. Between 20 and 30 years, between 40 or 45 and 50 to 55 years can send me the pictures. The third character of Bela Kingdom is Charumati, who is the only daughter of the king Gorakant and his wife Chitramala. Charumati is taller than her parents. She is 5 feet 7 inches and her hair is double her height. Yeah, you heard it right. Her hair is double her height. She doesn't cut her hair because she is also cursed. And if you have to know why is she cursed and who cursed her, you need to read the story in the book. So what does she do with her hair? She makes it into a bun and hides it under her crown. And her crown again looks like an eagle. All the accessories that she wears are just like her father's. Everything resembles eagles. And coming to her facial features, she has very fine personality. She's neither too slim nor too fat. She is fit and thin. She has sharp features, sharp nose, sharp eyes, very medium sized ears, and good chin, well shaped jaws. She looks perfect, but she doesn't have long legs and long hands. They look really short, but her part of the body is really larger. And she is amazing with her dancing and singing skills. So if she has to convince somebody, the immediate talent she picks up is the dance and singing. She conveys her emotions and express through this art form. There are two important things about her. One is she is very good with swords. She is good with sword fighting. And the other one is she can communicate with the eagles. People of two age groups can send pictures. The first category is 15 and 20 years. The second category of people is between 30 and 35 years can send the pictures. She never forget to wear a cape. A cape that has eagle feathers, eagle beak, everything about eagle is seen on the cape. And the interesting feature on her face is her nose, because she wears 3 hoops on this side and 3 hoops on this side and 1 ring in the center, because she wants to respect her mother's culture as well. And now you know what? If you think your face, your friend's face suits this particular role, please do not hesitate to email me at pujtareddykhosla4filmmaker@gmail.com. You can also find my email ID in the description box. Please like my video, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and wait for the upcoming cash prizes. Thank you.